Day from Saraf Public School with Exomi Vacuum Cleaner. In this video, we will show you the project, advantages and on which surfaces we can use this. So here is Princey to explain the project.
So this is our Exomi vacuum cleaner. This is how it looks from outside and this is how it looks from inside. So it has vacuum, 2 brushes, 2 wheels, dust store, sniff sensor and battery. So now here is Navya for explaining you the advantages of Exomi vacuum cleaner.
So the advantages of Exomi vacuum cleaner are: it keeps our environment clean, it charges from solar energy, it is an automatic vacuum cleaner, it sends hot dust from a distance, easy to use. The size of it is small so we can use it anywhere. It has a large dustbin too. It is low cost product. It has wheels so it can move anywhere after guiding it. Suppose there is a hurdle. So Exomi vacuum cleaner can sense it from a distance and change the position of the wheel according to the hurdle.
It has a vacuum, 2 brush and a dust store too. It is waterproof. It can only use dried garbage.
Surfaces where we can use Exomi vacuum cleaner are
supermarket, offices, house, schools, hospitals,
colleges, university, labs, roads and cemented area,
footpath,
tiles, flat surfaces, marbles, quarter stone, wood surfaces and stone surfaces. Thank you. Atal Innovation Mission,
Niti Aayog
and Saraf Public School. Thank you.